right, number 14, the first 4 terms of a geometric sequence are listed in order below. So here's my first term, second term, third term, fourth term. What is the 7th term of the sequence? All right, so I just got to keep going in the sequence. So I need a 5, 6, and we are looking for that 7th term. What goes in that place? All right, so it's talking about geometric sequence. So anytime you see that word geometric sequence, we are either multiplying or dividing to get to our next term. So let's look at how we are getting to our next term. And this one is simple. We really don't need a formula for it. As I go from 24 to 12, what happened? Well, you either divided by 2, or what did you multiply by? You multiplied by a half. And if we keep going by dividing by 2, eventually we're going to get to our answer. All right, so as I go to 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Well, 3 divided by 2, this is where I'm just going to use my calculator. It's no big deal. It is 1.5. Okay, now if I divide 1.5 in half, what are we going to get? 0.75. And I definitely can't do the next one in my head. 0.75 divided in half, you will get 3.375. Okay, and that is my 7th term. And here it is. If you would like to know more about the geometric sequence, keep listening. So there is a formula for it. So if it wasn't just the 7th term and it was longer than that, geometric sequence formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1 power. Okay, so that's a lot of what is that, right? All right, so a to the n is the nth term you're looking for. And in this case, what term were we looking for? We were looking for the 7th term. So we would go a sub 7, okay, whatever term we're looking for. Okay, a sub 1 is the first term in the sequence. Okay, and our first term, it told us this was listed in order. Our first term is 24. Okay, we have to multiply by r. R is your common ratio. Okay, how did we get to the next term? However, common ratio is always multiplication. Okay, so you're always having to multiply to get to the next term. All right, so what do we have to multiply by? We had to multiply by a half. All right, again, the exponent is n minus 1. You're using that same n as for that nth term we're looking for. So we're going to have a 7 minus 1. All right, and then you just have to simplify this to find your 7th term. All right, hope that helps. On to the next one.